Hi, I'm Samantha Dybac, founder and CEO of the PR Hub. And today I want to talk about when PR stops being a nice to have and starts fueling growth. Many founders see PR as something they'll do later because it might feel hard to link to commercial outcomes. But when PR is done strategically, it plays a very clear role in accelerating business growth. Here are a few tips that show you how. Tip 1, PR only works as a partnership, not a transaction. The strongest results come when PR is treated as part of the leadership conversation, not a one-off tactic. Next tip, clarity matters more than coverage alone. PR works best when it's firmly anchored to your business objectives. Think expansion, hiring, partnerships, raising capital. Final tip, impact beats volume. One credible placement reaching the right audience can outperform 10 generic mentions. In short, PR isn't only about looking good in the media. It's about messaging, shaping trust and perception, and that's when PR makes the biggest impact.